In today's video, I'm going to take the rustiest kid's dirt bike I've ever seen and push it to the limit. I've got a list of goals to hit, one that includes breaching 40 miles an hour on this rust bucket, so embark with me on a journey. Maybe a journey to the hospital, but a journey nonetheless. There she is. Sweet. Hey. Oh. Okay, there's the motor. So this is a pile of junk, but I want to turn this into the world's quirkiest electric vehicle. Okay, maybe not that, but I want to loop out on this. I want to hit 40 miles an hour. I want a cheeseburger. Can we do it? I don't know. So the plan, so I'm gonna get the bike, add the motor, add the modular battery from the previous video or the future video, depending on which one I get done first. Get you this. So I say we just get to throwing things together. It may take a few days, but at least we'll have something cool in there. It's dark outside, but I'm gonna put the motor on. Had to reuse the old that I welded up for some reason for a different project, so it's got some pits in it. Hopefully that doesn't fail at 40 miles an hour, but we'll see. I don't know if you can see how wobbly that brake caliper is. It's actually held in by a self-tapping screw, so hopefully that doesn't fail at 40 miles an hour. Okay, so after I got the motor mounted, I went ahead and wired everything up. I've just got it taped. So this is speed level 1. Speed 3. Oh my, that is horrifying. I'm gonna take this out and weld that wheel on. That way whenever I throttle it up, testing stuff out, I don't have to worry about this motor. I don't have to worry about the wheel, bro. I don't have to worry about this wheel coming off. But before I start welding on this wooden surface, I'm gonna go ahead and get the water hose, just spray everything down just in case. Still not a good idea. You know, now that I think about it, I don't think this was a good idea either. Water and electricity don't really mix. All right, let's weld it. All right, let's see if the wheel stays on. So I'm gonna go ahead and wire this up. I got this extension cord wire for the power wires. Will it work? Probably not. But I think it'll work. Maybe. Maybe not. Probably not. So my goal here is to tap from the negative wire on the 72 volts and the positive wire of the 72 volts go onto the circuit breaker, just basically bypassing this circuit breaker and making this battery where you can run different ESCs off of it. My goal, like in the last video, is to make it modular. So I want to use this battery. Well, not this battery, because I may have taken it from something else. So in order for this battery to fit, I'm gonna have to cut this part of the frame off and, you know, sacrifice structural integrity because I think the frame's in good enough shape. Maybe that can give you an idea how much of a death trap this is. I don't think that I'll be able to use the modular battery. The new battery that I'm gonna get is smaller, so maybe I can get a smaller form factor case. As of right now, I'm not gonna be able to use it. But beautiful verse is Galatians 6:9. Thought about doing this thing where I put a Bible verse on every single project that I make, just in hopes to share the gospel with people in a fun, creative way. On this project, since it's a work in progress, I'm gonna put the Bible verse, Galatians 6:9. It says, "Let us not become weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up." So just remain steadfast in all that you do. Do it for the glory of God. Don't give up. Even though the project isn't really turning out how I want it to, it doesn't mean that I can't make something good out of it. So let's find a way to strap this battery down and hook everything up. We'll go for a test ride. see if it works. Woo! Oh my gosh. Didn't mean to do that.
So I've got this charged up a little more. Currently driving to the testing spot. So remember, the goal here is 40 miles an hour. Don't know if we can get it, but we'll see if this thing falls apart. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, first speed mode hits about 20, 18, 20. That's so fun. I look like an idiot, but it's so fun. I think I'm gonna head over to the barn and air up the tires a little bit. That way we get maximum speed, or it helps. I don't know. Apparently the hose has a hole in it, so my tires are flatter than when I actually started, but we're still gonna go for it. It just adds to the stupidity of this whole project. I got an idea. See how fast we hit. There's a bump up here, it's gonna hurt. Oh, how fast we got. Oh, okay. We got 36. I think I'm just gonna back it up, bomb the hill, and hold on for dear life. Uh-oh, throttle's coming loose. That's gonna be perfect for this speed test. Oh, 3. Here we go. Don't know how fast that was. Felt faster than the last one. Let's see what we got. Oh my gosh. 38. 38, man. 38. Dang. That sucks.
So I was pretty down bad about not being able to hit 40 miles an hour. All of this work just to not hit the goal. I honestly thought about just giving up here, throwing in the towel, calling it a day. But then I remembered something that I said earlier. Even though the project isn't really turning out how I want it to, it doesn't mean that I can't make something good out of it. Don't give up. I want a cheeseburger. Okay, maybe not that last one, but I was not gonna give up. I decided to take it to the biggest hill around. Cue the black bars. Hey, it changes this music. Thanks.
Get a running start. I'm giving it the beans. Going full throttle down this time. Woo! It didn't feel as fast, but 40 miles an hour. That's such a relief. Yes. Sweet.